With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says a sample contains large number of nuclei. The probability that a nucleus in the sample will decay after 4 half-lives. Now in this question we have given that a sample contains large number of nuclei and we have to find the probability that some nucleus will decay after 4 half-lives. Now let us consider that the total number of nucleus which are present initially to be n0. So this is initial total number of nucleus, and n is equals to the number of nucleus present at t equals to t. So n is the number of nucleus which is present at any time t equal to t, and n0 is the number of nucleus at time t equal to 0. Now it means the number of nucleus which are decayed before the time t equal to t will be equal to n0 minus n. So this is number of decayed nucleus. Now we have to find the probability of the decayed nucleus after 4 half-life. So we know the probability will be equal to number of nucleus decayed divided by the total number of nucleus. So this will be equal to 1 minus n by n0. Now we know that n divided by n0 is equal to half times power of n, and this is the number of half lives. So now we have to find the probability of the particle decayed after 4 half-lives. So the value of n will be equal to 4. So from here n divided by n0 will be equal to half raised to power 4. This will be equal to 1 by 16. Now the probability will be equal to 1 minus n by n0, which is 1 by 16. So 1 minus 1 by 16, this will be equal to 15 by 16. So the probability of neutrons which are decayed after 4 half-life is 15 by 16. So the option C will be the correct answer for this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.